so bad at this moment. So, hi, my name is Darling, and this is like the first full video that I will post on my YouTube channels. The reason why I create this channel because I want to practice my English. As you can see, I don't speak English well, and I don't have any accents, and I feel shy maybe. So I just create the video of my daily life, or what something I do every day, or what I learn, like my hobby or something like that. So you may know why would we want to know about her life, something like that. And I can see that too. But I just love that. I just want to share something, especially I'm the one I live in the countryside in Cambodia. So there are so much to share about, and I really want to do that. And most of my video in here will be mostly in English. So I hope you not get mad or something about my accent, about my English speaking, because I'm not good at it, but I will try to improve by doing that. And as a shy person, I really want to do the video since I was 17 or 18 something, but I just can't. I'm shy and I don't have any confidence to do that. So I just want to fulfill my dreams, that want to make a video and post it on the YouTube or some platform. I just want to try something new, try to do something that I'm not confident at, and I want to try to do something that I want to do when I was young, like that.
And I just hope that you will enjoy my videos, and you can comment anything or say anything in the post, but just don't put the means comment to me. Too sensitive about that, and maybe I will lose my confidence again. The first video here is just about talking nonsense, something like that. But I think I will create a good video in the future. So yeah, let's start the journey. Let's start the journey. So I really appreciate everything. So bad at this moment.